Scholars, the purpose of this short video is to explore the perfect square trinomials and how we can use it as a tool to solve radical equations or equations involving radicals. First of all, let's recall what is a perfect squared trinomial. It's a trinomial for three terms of the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And we can factor it as a plus b squared, namely a plus b times a plus b, or a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, a minus b squared. These are just 4 examples of perfect trinomials. Right away, notice that a, well, here the coefficient is always positive. Likewise, the c, the ABC, these numbers here are always positive. They are never negative. Of course, the middle one, the b term, can be either positive or negative. And what is so unique about these ones? Well, let's go ahead and study the first one. X squared plus 10x plus 25. There is an invisible 1 here, the coefficient 1. And we can ask ourselves, what is the square root of 1? Of course, it's 1. What's the square root of 25? That will be 5. So what we have here is, I'm just going to carry the x, so we 1x, normally we don't do 1. And here, of course, the square root of 25 will be 5. If I multiply these two numbers, 1 times 5 will be 5. This times that will be 5. If I double it, it will give me 10. So 1 times 5 will be 5. Double 5 will be 10. That means this one will be a perfect trinomial. So this one will factor as x plus 5 squared. Let's look at the second one. I have 16x squared plus 24x plus 9. We ask ourselves, the square root of 16 will be 4. Square root of 9 will be 3. 4 times 3 will be 12. If I double that, if it's 24, then it makes it a perfect trinomial. So this guy will factor as 4x. Since the b is positive, will be plus 3 squared. Let's go ahead and explore the third one. 49x squared minus 28x plus 4. Again, the square root of 49 is 7. 4 will be 2. 7 times 2 is 14. Twice 14, 28. It passes the test, so this one will be a perfect trinomial as well. 7x minus 2 squared. And we can check the last one. Of course, if I have 10, it's not 10. 100, the square root will be 10. The square root of 1 is 1. 10 times 1 is 10. And the middle number is 22. Is this a perfect square? Absolutely not. Okay. In order to be a perfect square, what number I need here? I hope you guessed it. So it's 10. 10 times 1 is 10. Double 10 will be 20. So in order to be a perfect square, you need to be minus 20x plus 1. So it factors as 10x plus 1 squared, so plus 20x, or 100x squared minus 20x plus 1, so it will be 10x minus 1 squared. Okay, perfect. Notice once again the one of the c number is positive, the a number is positive, the b could be either positive or negative. That dictates how we factor the polynomial, the trinomial. So what we explored was, given the trinomial, how do I factor it? What about if they ask us to do it reverse? What if I have already a term that is already expressed like that as a square, and I need to decompose, I need to expand it? So of course, expand as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, or if it's a minus b squared, of course you guessed it, we're going from right to left instead of left to right. Minus 2ab plus b squared. So if I ask you to expand the following, 2x plus 3 squared, well, I already know that it could follow this pattern. So it will be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Notice that in this case, the a will be the 2x and the b will be 3. So 2x, 3, and sorry, I made a mistake here. That will be plus b squared. Now we can input the 3. No big deal. This guy will be 2x times 2x, 4x squared. 2 times 2x times 3, 2 to 4 times 3, that's 12. That will be plus 12x plus 9. Done. If I have, of course, 7x minus 1 square, we can use exactly the same pattern. So what do we have? A square minus, this is minus twice AB plus B square. We may proceed to substitute 7x, 1, 1. Well, last time we checked 7x times 7x, 49x squared. 2 times 7, 14 times 1, negative 14x plus 1 done. We can expand it with the square root. So radicals, if I have radical x plus 7 squared, we'll be intimidated, the same thing, in case plus 2ab plus b squared, is that this guy will be your a and this guy will be your b. So radical x, 7, 7. Radical x squared, that is x. 2 times 7, 14, so it'll be plus 14 radical x plus 49. Let's try a little bit another one. But if I have 2x minus 5 radical that minus, maybe not 2x yet, minus whatever number, just 4 square. What will be this will be a square minus 2ab plus b squared. So no big deal. We just plug in here the square root of 4. This guy, radical of the square root, will be 2x minus 5. 2 times 4, that will be negative 8 radical 2x minus 5 plus 16. Notice that we can combine negative 5 and 16. 16 minus 5, that would be 11. So 2x plus 11 minus 8, square root of 2x minus 5. One more for the sake of it. What if I have x plus 7, the square root of that, minus x squared. How much do we have here? Let's see what we have. So here what we have is, once again, a square minus twice a b plus b squared. A in this case will be the square root of x plus 7, the square root of x plus 7, x. A little bit small here, but it will be x plus 7. Negative 2 times 7 minus 2x radical x plus 7 plus x squared. And that'll be it.